Discover your curls' new best friend with the TreasureTress August Mystery Box. This month, we're diving into the Olive Oil Max Moisture and Curl Show range by ORS, packed with everything you need for the ultimate wash day. First up, we have the Olive Oil Max Moisture Sulfate-Free Shampoo, cleansing your curls without stripping moisture. Perfect for a fresh start to your wash day routine. Apply generously, massage into your scalp, and lather up. Next, the Olive Oil Max Moisture Deep Treatment Conditioner. This softens and detangles, leaving your hair silky smooth and easy to manage. Work it through your curls and detangle gently. Once rinsed, lock in the moisture with the Olive Oil Curl Show leave-in conditioner gel. This provides hold whilst keeping your curls hydrated. Apply to damp hair and rake it through your curls. Use the Olive Oil Curl Show multi-use styling cream for soft, defined curls. Work it through sections of your hair and brush it through. For extra volume and hold, finish with the Olive Oil Curl Show Style Mousse. Pump a few dollops and scrunch it into your hair, style, and let them air dry or diffuse. And there you have it, a full wash day routine with the ORS Olive Oil range. Thanks to TreasureTress August box. Ready to discover something new? Join the TreasureTress tribe today.